Welcome back. News just coming in a day after he met riot victims at a relief camp in Muzaffarnagar. The Congress Party Vice President Rahul Gandhi has met 200 representatives of various minority groups. The meeting was also attended by Minorities Affairs Minister K. Rahman Khan and External Affairs Minister Salman Khurshid. And this is a part of the Congress Party exercise to include demands and aspirations of the minorities in the party's 2014 election manifesto. The party will also be reaching out to the communities directly by launching a website to seek direct feedback from the public. Earlier, Rahul Gandhi had met representatives of Dalit, tribal and backward communities on the 13th of December to discuss social, political and economic challenges they face. The Congress Party is likely to launch its minority manifesto early February. And headlines today is Kamaljeet Sandhu now joins me for more on this. Kamal, what is it that the minorities expect of the Congress Party? You saw what was happening there. What transpired?
Well, definitely at this point of time, Congress Party needs the minorities as much as the minorities needs Congress. The fact remains that this is the point of time where Congress is being deserted by its former allies or allies itself, like the NCP, the NC. We know there's a lot of criticism coming in for Congress itself. So in that sense, if we really have a look, there is a game plan in mind, and that is why on December 13th, first Rahul Gandhi, the Vice President, met the OBC, the SC/ST. They assured them of reservations, and that is how we saw the Jat reservation coming through, and thousands of people thronging 10 Janpath, thanking Sonia Gandhi. In the second round, we saw that he was meeting 200 leaders from all religious segments of minority, whether it was Sikhs, Sikh community, whether we're talking about Christians, Muslims. So it was to understand what they really want. There was also talk about prevention of communal right bill. There was also talk about equal opportunity bill. So in that sense, a lot of other issues were taken up, especially regarding jobs, opportunities, education, many other concerns that were raised about different religious communities. But the fact remains that at this point of time, Congress really trying to placate the demands of the minority community so that they have a sizable vote bank ahead of 2014 elections.